Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to tell you how to hide the different waypoints that show up on your, heads-up display while you're playing Return to Moria, because they kind of build up over time, and they don't automatically always hide themselves correctly. So the way that you hide them is you open up your map by hitting M, and then you can click on them. And then, stuff like the shortcut to the mines, you can click on it to hide it. And Gate to Durin's Highway, you can hide that too. So that anything that's, ever since you've, long since been to an area, but it's still showing up, you can hide that so you don't have to worry about constantly seeing it on your heads-up display. Because you don't really have, a quest log or anything in this game. It's all just kind of, relative pop-ups. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.